My name is Zikiru Shaibu. I am with the University of Cape Coast under the TagDev 2.0 program with partnership with RUFORUM and MasterCard Foundation. In my work as an agriculture extensionist, we are pushing for what we call the last mile extension delivery, where we want to get the right information to farmers at the very last mile in their communities. So in participating in this program organized by Access Agriculture and RUFORUM, I am fine-tuning my skills in extension services using tools like the DJI Osmo Pocket with good training, facilitators from Access Agriculture. And with this, going back, it will help us create more videos targeted to the smallholder farmers to understand the language of the research persons and also let them practicalize or see what they have to use for better improvement on their farms.